Jewelry isn't just decoration, it's history you can wear. The right piece can tell a story, hold emotional value, and even appreciate financially over time. But without the right knowledge, it's easy to overpay, misjudge quality, or collect pieces that don't truly last. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Jewelry Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Jewelry collecting blends style, craftsmanship, gem knowledge, and smart purchasing decisions. Whether you're drawn to antique brooches, vintage watches, gemstone rings, or modern designer pieces, a thoughtful approach makes the journey rewarding instead of risky. Here's how to start building your collection step by step. Step number 1, define your collecting-focused jewelry. Collecting is broad, so begin with a clear direction. You might focus on vintage Art Deco rings, signed designer pieces, gemstone-specific jewelry, or cultural heirlooms. A focused collection builds expertise and often increases value over time. When you specialize, you start recognizing quality and rarity much faster. Clarity prevents impulse buying and builds a cohesive collection. Step number 2, learn the basics of precious metals. Understanding gold, silver, and platinum is foundational. Pay attention to purity markings like 10K, 14K, 18K, or 24K for gold, and sterling stamps for silver. Higher purity doesn't always mean better durability. For example, 24K gold is softer than 14K. Platinum is dense and durable, but often more expensive. Knowing metal content helps you assess both value and longevity. Step number 3, understand gemstone quality. If you're collecting gemstone jewelry, familiarize yourself with the 4 C's for diamonds: cut, color, clarity, and carat weight. For colored gemstones like sapphires, rubies, and emeralds, consider origin, treatment, and saturation. Natural, untreated stones are often more valuable, but documentation matters. Even basic gemstone knowledge protects you from overpaying for lower quality stones. Step number 4, examine craftsmanship and condition. Look beyond the sparkle. Inspect prongs, holding stones in place, clasps on necklaces, and the sturdiness of settings. Poor craftsmanship can lead to loose stones or breakage. Also examine wear, scratches, thinning metal, or repairs. Minor wear is common in vintage pieces, but structural damage lowers value and increases restoration costs. Step number 5, research provenance and designer marks. Signed jewelry by recognized designers or historic houses can significantly increase value. Look for hallmarks or maker's marks inside rings or on clasps. Research the brand or era. Documentation, original boxes, or certificates add credibility. Provenance transforms jewelry from decorative accessory into collectible art. Step number 6, buy from reputable sources. Purchase from established jewelers, certified dealers, estate sales with documentation, or trusted auction houses. Ask for certificates when buying valuable gemstones. If buying online, request detailed photos and clear return policies. Trust and transparency are critical when significant money is involved. Step number 7, store and maintain properly. Jewelry requires care to preserve both beauty and value. Store pieces separately to avoid scratches, especially softer stones. Clean regularly using appropriate methods for each metal and gemstone. Avoid harsh chemicals. For valuable pieces, consider professional inspections once a year to ensure stones remain secure. Step number 8, collect with passion. Not just profit market trends shift, but personal appreciation endures. Buy pieces you genuinely love wearing or displaying. A meaningful collection brings enjoyment even if resale value fluctuates. When passion guides your decisions, your collection becomes more than an investment. It becomes part of your story. Imagine discovering a vintage 18K gold ring at an estate sale. You check for hallmarks and find a clear stamp. The gemstone appears vibrant and prongs are secure. After researching the designer mark, you realize it belongs to a respected mid-century jewelry maker. The price is reasonable compared to similar pieces sold at auction. You purchase it confidently, knowing you evaluated metal purity, craftsmanship, and provenance. In another scenario, you're tempted by a large gemstone ring priced surprisingly low online. Instead of rushing, you request certification. The seller cannot provide documentation, and the photos show uneven prongs. You decide to pass. Knowledge saved you from a potentially costly mistake. HowExpert tip: track your collection. Keep detailed records of each piece. Purchase date, price, certificates, appraisals, and photographs. This helps with insurance, resale, and organization. Over time, documentation strengthens the credibility and overall value of your collection. When you approach jewelry collecting with research, patience, and appreciation for craftsmanship, you develop both confidence and discernment. You'll begin to recognize quality quickly and build a collection that reflects taste, history, and smart decision-making. Your challenge: visit a reputable jeweler or estate sale this week and examine 3 pieces closely. Look for hallmarks, evaluate craftsmanship, and research one designer mark you discover. Practice observing before purchasing. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on jewelry collecting, check out HowExpert Guide to Jewelry Collecting, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.